So we're gonna make a real simple mac and cheese. We start with Annie's mac and cheese, and then what we've done is dried broccoli. I have a dehydrator, but we just did it in the oven. This is a big bag of broccoli, and it just dehydrates. It's really light. Mix it in with the pasta. I'm just gonna put that in first, the dehydrated broccoli with the pasta, so it'll reconstitute. And then we get this tuna in a package, so it's lighter weight, not in a can, from Trader Joe's. Looks like good stuff. Wild skipjack tuna, hand cut and hand packed, slow cooked to perfection. A little extra cheddar cheese, a little extra parm, some pepper flakes if you like, and then the packets from the Annie's mac and cheese box. So what we're doing, I'm going to turn this thing down to conserve fuel. It's going full blast right now. And, you know, this takes about 10 minutes. Sometimes if we're trying to conserve fuel, we'll boil it, we'll take it off, let it sit, rehydrate really good, and have a delicious backcountry tuna, broccoli, mac, cheese delight. That's what we're talking about right now. Cook this most of the way. You can see the broccoli's nicely rehydrated. Now I'm gonna add some milk. I like to kind of spread the milk out because otherwise it clumps and that's kind of tastes weird. So we've added the tuna and the cheese. It's a little soupy, but you know when you're hiking you want to hydrate real well, and we'll finish it with some crushed red peppers and voila. We have oatmeal here that's hydrating along with some dehydrated blueberries. Also conveniently available at your local Trader Joe's. There you go. Advertisement for Trader Joe's.